Good morning, stats class, Mr. Eicher, everyone. So my name is Calico Jan, and I am in the group with Tyler Leslie and Rayvon Owens. And I'm sorry I couldn't be with you today in class, but it's because probably right now as you're watching this, I'm boarding a flight to Hawaii for my cousin's wedding. But don't worry, I have a verse for this exact occasion. Colossians 2:5 says, "For though I am absent in body, yet I am with you in spirit, rejoicing to see your good order and the firmness of your faith in Christ." So, friends, though I can't be with you today in a physical form, I am with you spiritually and emotionally to support you through your presentations. Good job on all of your hard work. Also, keep your faith in Christ firm. Good point. So, for our project, we wondered if people's pulse rates are increased while standing on one foot as opposed to two. For our null hypothesis, mu1 minus mu2 equals 0, and for our alternative hypothesis, mu1 minus mu2 is less than 0. Our mu1 is the pulse taken in 30 seconds while standing on 2 feet, and our mu2 is the pulse taken in 30 seconds while standing on 1 foot. Our alpha level is set at 0.05. So we walked around the statistics class and flipped a coin for each individual to determine how their pulse would be taken. If heads was flipped, then the person would take their pulse for 30 seconds standing on 2 feet. If tails was flipped, then the person would take their pulse for 30 seconds standing on 1 foot. 20 people participated in the experiment, 11 of which did the sample while standing on 2 feet, and 9 of which did the sample standing on 1 foot. So, for our conditions, the random condition was accounted for because we flipped a coin for each individual, so as to not have any bias and have the experiment be totally random. And for our normal condition, n is less than 30, so we had to do graphs, but as you can see on the graphs, there are no obvious outliers. So we're good. The independent condition is accounted for because each person's pulse rate is independent of everyone else's pulse rates, because my heart is different from your heart and all of the others. So, not to worry. Okay, that's all of my part, and thank you for listening, and have a great day, everyone.